Do you want to know how to make money on Instagram, whether you have 0, 1,000, or 100,000 followers? Then stick around till the end of today's conversation. Welcome back, folks, to another edition of the Awesome Sweetie Kiwi Show. How you doing today? I hope you are doing fantastic. I'm doing marvelous if you were to ask me. And if you are doing as great as I am, go grab a cup of coffee or tea or vodka and let's roll. Today I want to talk to you about how to make money on Instagram. And it doesn't really matter whether you have 0, 1,000, or 100,000 followers. How many Instagram followers do you really need to make money? That's the big question today. The thing here is that people always think you need followers, but I will show you later on that you can actually make money without followers. But if you do have followers, if you're wondering how many followers you need to start bringing in real revenue, the short answer is not as many as you think. Not as many as you think. It really depends. The long answer depends on factors that range from what niche you're in, how engaged your followers are, which revenue channels you explore. A lot of people think, oh, if you have 100,000 followers, you're good. But think about it. If those followers are not engaged and those followers are fake, then it doesn't really amount to anything. Naturally, the more engaged followers you have, the better. Now, let's talk about the strategy number one. You need to sell your photos online or on things. So someone might get famous on Twitter by telling 140 character jokes. But Instagram is a photo sharing app at its core, and photos are assets that can be licensed, printed, and sold in a variety of ways. So if photography is what got you in the Instagram game in the first place, you can list your photos in marketplaces like 500 Pixels or 2020, where brands and publishers might license them. However, you can also sell your photos as prints and on other physical products using a similar methods described in that I will describe here. You have services like Printful and T-Launch that lets you put your photos on posters, phone cases, pillows, and more, taking care of fulfilling orders and customer price. So all you really need to worry about is making sales. So strategy number one, sell your photos online or on things. Strategy number two, post sponsored content. Sponsored post might be the first thing that comes to mind when you hear the phrase Instagram influencer. And the great thing here is that there are over 500,000 active influencers on Instagram as of late 2020. The base requirement here is a decent to impressive follower count and a competitive engagement rates. In other words, this strategy is for you if you are good at making strangers on the internet like and trust you. So the appeal of the strategy is that it involves marketing without any of the headaches of e-commerce. It doesn't require you to create a product or fulfill orders. The thing here is that if you want to get started as an Instagram influencer and you want to post sponsored content, there are 4 things you need to do. Number one, step 1, choose a niche. Step 2, build trust and grow your audience. Step 3, you want to partner with brands. There are 2 main routes to linking up with brand partners. You can find them by pitching them directly. You want to contact the brands you admire yourself and tell them what you can offer. Or you can help them find you by signing up with an influencer marketing program. You have platforms such as Aspire IQ, Upfluence, and Fimbit. Those are good places to start. And the step number 4, you want to post transparently. You want to tell your viewers, you want to tell your followers that you are posting an ad. You have to make it clear. In some countries, such as the UK or the United States, you are legally obligated to make it clear that you are posting an ad when you do so. So, folks, we're talking about how to make money on Instagram. Strategy 1, sell your photos online or on things. Strategy 2, post sponsored content as an Instagram influencer. Strategy number 3, become an affiliate marketer. Unlike sponsored content, this strategy is less about spreading awareness and more about making sales. This is because you only make money when your followers actually buy the product. On the plus side, as an affiliate marketer, you don't really need to worry about producing that product or fulfilling orders. They take care of that. So that's the plus side. The downside is that this strategy requires a solid strategy, a solid plan if you want to grow without annoying your audience. Also, the term affiliate marketing has a bad reputation, really. It can be associated with scammy promises of 7-figure monthly incomes and other stuff. To have a great affiliate marketing strategy, there are 3 things you need to do. Number 1, choose a niche. Number 2, find merchants to affiliate with. And number 3, post about the products. Choose a niche. As an affiliate marketer, you need to have the right niche, because an affiliate marketer's niche differs from a sponsored influence niche in that they can be more product focused. For example, affiliate marketers sometimes start as product reviewers. So if you're just starting out, you have the luxury of choosing an audience with specific material desires. For example, dog owners who want guidance and deals on the best dog food. You need to find merchants to affiliate with. You can affiliate with a brand directly, as I said earlier, or you can join what's called an affiliate network, or both. The answer is always both, folks. So affiliate networks are intermediary platforms between brands who run affiliate programs and marketers like you. Those platforms exist because while a solo entrepreneur selling online courses might be eager to expand their reach to your audience, a Fortune 500 company must scale and automate their efforts. So affiliate networks are designed to give you a huge range of products to choose from, and you're not limited to just one network either. So here I'm talking about Amazon affiliate, for example. This is a great one. You have eBay affiliates. You have a lot of affiliate. You have ClickBanks. So Amazon Associates rather, is the most obvious place to start. The limitation is that they don't offer codes. You have to use the affiliate link they provide. While that's great for Pinterest, blogs, or email newsletters, on Instagram you have to put that link in your bio, or if you have a business account, your Instagram story. The third step here is you need to post about the products. So as with influencers, affiliate marketing also falls under FTC, the Federal Trade Commission rules. So be clear about the nature of your relationship with the products. Fortunately, according to research, 54% of people say they appreciate transparency when marketers divulge their relationships, and the ad hashtag does not offend them. I'll be right back right after this. Do not go anywhere. Welcome back, folks, to another section of the Awesome Sweetie Kiwi Show. Hope you are still enjoying the conversation we're having here. We are talking about how to make money on Instagram, whether you have 0, 1,000, or 100,000 followers. Let me give you a few tips to earn money on Instagram. Strategy number 4, sell your own products. And how do you do that? You need to imagine your products. You need to build your products. Set up your account so it's shoppable. You want to build out your e-commerce infrastructure, post your products, and fulfill your orders. Imagine your products. So models sell clothes, right? ASMR slime accounts sell slime. Marketing experts sell online courses. So your products might be a natural, intuitive extension of what you're already doing. If your business plan involves selling your own products as opposed to, say, drop shipping, you need to build it. So you need to find a supplier. Set up your account so it's shoppable on Instagram. So in the past few years, Instagram has been rolling out all sorts of shopping-focused features. For example, they have the Explore tab, product tags, shoppable post, shoppable stories, and Instagram checkout. So in order to take advantage of them though, you need to have a business account. And you also need to create a product catalog. Step number 4, you need to build out your e-commerce infrastructure. So you need to set up a website to provide more information to your customers. This could be a website like Wix or Shopify or BigCommerce or yeah. So one thing you want to be very careful about is that to make sure your store gets some traction, consider running a few ads to build awareness. You will probably also need to build a landing page to guide people through the final purchasing steps. Keep your audience's experience at top of the mind. User experience is very important. The next thing you want to do is you want to post your products. So you can hype your products using regular Instagram posts or stories. Instagram analytics tools will help you measure your success. Having said that, if your stories are not converting into sales, you might want to check out other tips that I'm going to give you later on in the show. You also want to think about fulfilling your orders. So depending on your products, you can handle inventory yourself, outsource to a third-party logistics company, or live the drop shipping lifestyle. Drop shipping means that the manufacturer sends it to the customer themselves. The more orders you have, folks, the more time you'll be spending on this. So you got to be realistic here. Let's now talk about a few tips for earning money on Instagram. First, you need to know your worth. Influencers need to know what's the going rate for posting a story with swipe up to say 27,000 followers or 50,000 followers. How much do people charge for running a product giveaway to a niche audience with an impressive 5 or 10% engagement rate? When it's time to negotiate rates with brands, you need solid information on the landscape. So you want to check the Instagram influencer rates first before going there. You also want to keep tabs on your competitors. So use social media monitoring and listening to stay on top of the conversation in your field and among your competitors. You also want to respond to customer inquiries quickly. Twitter, for example, has found that in one study, they found that 71% of people expect customer service responses in less than an hour on social media. So a near immediate response is imperative to your customer support strategy. You want to make money on Instagram, be professional. This is a business, folks. So your brand partners and customers are treating it as such. As an influencer, missing deadlines and ignoring contracts is the fastest way to burn bridges. Don't buy fake followers. Please don't. Just don't. It doesn't work, and it's kind of embarrassing. And it's called fraud now, by the way. You want to use Instagram tools to save time. Any entrepreneur will tell you how fast the hours disappear when you're getting a business up and running. There are dozens of tools out there to help you automate your post, edit your photos and videos, or run reports on your account's performance. The last thing you need to think about is to promote yourself on other channels. You need to provide more than inspiration if you're looking to turn views into sales, right? So you can create a blog or a YouTube channel that will help you expand your content marketing to provide the information that prospective buyers want as they make their buying decisions. Likewise, using other social media platforms will widen your reach. And email newsletters mean you're not at the mercy of the Instagram algorithm when notifying your audience about new content. The big question here is that, can you make money on Instagram? Yes, definitely. I think I've shown this to you throughout this show. You can get paid on Instagram in the following ways: creating sponsored ads, sponsored posts for brands that want to get in front of your audience, becoming an affiliate and making a commission selling other brands' products, creating and selling a physical or digital products, or offering a paid service, and selling licenses for your photography or videos. Those are the 4 ways that I have mentioned in today's show. How much do Instagram influencers make? Instagram influencers are typically broken down into 3 categories. So you have the micro influencers, the middle tier influencers, and then you have the top tier influencers. So micro influencers are accounts with less than 10,000 followers. And a recent study showed this account made $88 per post on Instagram. The middle tier influencers, those are accounts with between 10,000 and 100,000 followers, and they can make around $200 per post on average. And then you have the top tier influencers. Those are accounts with between 100,000 and 1 million followers. They can expect to make about $670 per post. The price can greatly vary in this tier, depending upon the niche. Influencers with more than 1 million followers can earn varying prices as well. Let's talk about how much does Instagram pay. The more followers you have on Instagram, the more money you can make. I think that makes sense, right? It's kind of logical here. But rates are also determined by engagement, quality of content, name recognition, audience demographic, and skill set. So the standard is $10 per 100,000 followers, but it can vary depending on your contract and sponsor. Getting paid on Instagram and beyond. So what started as a hobby, making people laugh, doing silly photo shoots with your dog, or sharing pictures of food, can snowball into the chance to turn Instagram into a source of income fueled by your engaged follower base. But folks, why stop there? There is a world of possibilities out there for creators to make money on the internet. So if you want to open up more revenue streams online, you want to think about the best way to do so, especially in the long run. And you want to think about other platforms. For example, you can make money on YouTube. You can actually cross-sell your content to your Instagram followers and your YouTube subscribers. Your Instagram followers, they're bound to join you on other channels if you do the marketing correctly. Just open the doors for them to walk through. All right, folks, this is it for today. I really appreciate having you around. I was talking to you about how to make money on Instagram, whether you have 0, 1,000, or 100,000 followers. I will see you next time. But until then, remember, stay marvelous.